I have really bad migraines, and my wife and I had read some literature that suggested maybe it could help. I had problems with energy levels and those two things. I wanted to develop some muscle tone back. I'm in my 50s now, so I'm just looking to increase muscle tone as well. Those three things, and it's helped. All three things. A year ago, didn't exercise, or if I exercise, it would maybe walk around the block, and I would be tired afterwards. I do laps, swim laps every day, and 30 minutes, nonstop, back and forth across the pool. I could imagine doing that before the testosterone. Maybe when I was in my 20s, had that kind of energy, getting that kind of energy back, that kind of stamina back. Muscle tone. I have abs. I won't show the camera, but I have abs. I'm 53. I have abs. I really do. It's just crazy, and that's a big thing, The thing is, there's a lot of places you can get testosterone, and so that isn't the thing that keeps drawing me here. It's the people, Karen, Kristen, the front office when they greet you. I mean, there's just that the whole package of customer service. Great folks, and I enjoy my time coming here every week, which is crazy. Getting a shot once a week. You'd think that's kind of crazy, but really I enjoy it.